Hello friends, my name is Yogesh Bali and today in this session we will learn how to create a Docker image and how to use existing Docker image to create a container. This is a practical session, so let's not talk much about theory. Let's try to create a container. So as you know, in this first exercise, what I am doing is I am trying to pull I'm trying to pull already created Tomcat image and try to create a container and execute this image through this container. So first I will pull the Tomcat. This command, what it will do, it will download the Tomcat image of Docker from dockerhub.com and put it locally. As you can see, it is downloading. So let's wait to get it complete, and it is saying that I'm already having this image, so let's verify it by using this command docker images. Yes, I'm having this image locally. Now let's try to create a container and try to run it in this container. So the command for this is like -t to give this container a tag. No, hyphen name. Let's see its help first. Just a second. Yes, we are having -t for not hyphen name, I think, for providing a name. Right. Hyphen name. Where it is hyphen name here. So let's try to use this command docker build hyphen name. Sorry, docker run hyphen name. Give it container name, my container one, map the Tomcat port. 8080 is the port of Tomcat that will be executed inside my container one. This is the container, my container one, and 8081 is the port which is mapped to this 8080, and 8081 will be accessible from host machine. 8080 is for container and 8081 is for host machine. And now giving it the image name. So this command will create a container and run this container. So this container is starting the Tomcat for us, which is in that Tomcat image. As you can see, Tomcat is getting started. So Tomcat is up. So let's see if we can browse. Yes, we can browse from the host machine. We are using the host machine port 8081 that we given in the command. Now the second step is to host a application on the WebApps folder of Docker Tomcat image and execute it through a container. So to do that, let's see our demo project first. This is a demo project which is having only one index.html file, which is just displaying a heading my demo app. This index.html file inside this demo project, I want to host this demo project inside the Tomcat image. To do that, what first thing I need to do is I need to create one file. Its name is Docker file on the root directory of my project, and this Docker file will help me create a customized Docker image. So I'm providing the set of instructions to create my customized Docker image. My first instruction is to download Tomcat latest version either locally or from dockerhub.com. This command will download the Tomcat for us. My second step is to copy my demo project to WebApps folder of Tomcat inside the container. So that's it. My third step is to start the Tomcat. My third instruction. So to start the Tomcat, what I need to do, I need to run catalina.sh. These are my three instructions. Let's save it. Now let's try to create our customized Docker image. And to create our customized Docker image, we need to use this docker build command. This will build the customized Docker image for us. And let's give it a name, tag. Let's tag this image with the name my Tomcat. And let's try to give this dot. This dot here means to pick the Docker file for creating this my Tomcat image from current directory. So in step 1, as I told, either it will use the Tomcat image that I am having locally, or it will, if it will not find the image locally, it will download the image from Docker Hub. So in first step, it is using the local image of Tomcat. In second step, it is copying my demo project. In third step, it is executing my uh, Tomcat. So now let's create a container for this image, which name is my Tomcat. So to create a container, let's name the container name as container2. Let's bind the ports. Like now I am running on container 2 8080 and I'm mapping it to host machine 8085. Now giving the image, this is my customized image that I created above, and making this container interactive. So let's run this command. So this command started my Tomcat, and let's try to see this container also. Like if I browse inside this container, you can see that sorry, container name is container2. You can see that it is saying it is not running. So let's start this first. Why it's not running? Let's try to create one more container. Just a second. It is starting my container. It is deploying root, then deploying docs, examples, manager, and then my demo app in the web apps. So demo app is hosted. If I try to see whether I'm able to access my demo app through the browser or not, I given that the port used should be like 8086. I mapped the host machine port 8086 to container 8080 port. So let's first see that Tomcat is running from this host. Yes, it is running. Now try to access our app that we hosted on this Tomcat. Yes, we are able to access this. Even we can browse inside this container to see the files in this customized Tomcat image. To do that, what we need to do, we need to use this docker exec command, and here we just need to name the container and give it a command. My container name here is container 3. Okay, so now as you can see, I am inside this container. Make it interactive to see